All right, these are your 2.4 notes. We are going to cross multiply today. So when we are solving these kind of problems, the first step is we will cross multiply. Step 2 is we will distribute if necessary. And step 3 is solve. So let's talk about how to do this. So when we cross multiply, it means we make an X, and that's what we multiply. So the red line, see it looks like a time symbol in the middle. So the red line connects the 3 to the X, and the purple line connects the 4 to the 6. So I'm going to multiply 3 times X and get 3X. And you just put an equal sign in between them. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, now this just looks like a basic equation. Divide by 3, X equals 8. When I see one like number 2, where the bottom of the second fraction is n plus 5, I put parentheses around that to remind me that I'm going to use those parentheses when I work. So I'm going to draw my X. All right. The red line is connecting the 2 to the n plus 5. And the purple line is connecting the 10 to the 4. Now, so that was step 1 to cross multiply. Step 2 is to distribute. 2n, 2 times 5 is 10, equals, this other purple side, I just do regular old multiplication. 10 times 4 is 40. All right, now I need to move my 10 over. Now I got 2n equals 30. Divide by 2, n equals 5. All right, let's practice number 3. I'm going to go ahead, put some parentheses around here, draw my X. All right, the red is connecting the 5 to the y minus 3, and the purple is connecting the 2 to the y. All right, step 2, I got to distribute. 5y minus 15 equals, 2 times y is just a 2y. This one's a little different. I have a y here and a y here, and then this is just a number. So I need to get the y's together. So I'm going to take, let's write in marker, I'm going to take and subtract 5y. Negative 15 equals negative 3y. Divide by negative 3, y equals 5. One more practice. Let's go ahead and put parentheses around these guys and draw my X. Oh, sorry. There we go. All right. So the 3 is connecting to the k plus 9. Write my equal sign. In the purple line, the 5 is connecting to the 2k minus 3. All right, we got to distribute over in the red. 3k plus 27 equals, now I got to distribute the purple. 10k minus 15. All right, now I'm going to move this k to be with the other one. 3 minus 10k is 7. Negative 7k plus 27 equals negative 15. Let's move that 27 now. That gives me negative 7k equals negative 42. We will divide negative 7 and get k equals 6. So That's how you do these. Take these notes, and then I want you to do practice 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thanks.